Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मेनका है। मैं मुंबई महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। मैं एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट और मोक्षपट बोर्ड रीडर हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे मोक्षपट बोर्ड हेल्थ के बारे में क्या कहता है फॉर द 4th वीक ऑफ सितंबर, यानी 23 सितंबर से 29 सितंबर 2024 तक। यह सप्ताह हेल्थ के बारे में यह कहता है कि कभी कभी हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, ऐसा लगता है कि हम बीमार हैं। मेडिकल टेस्ट के रिपोर्ट भी नॉर्मल आते हैं, तभी हमें समझना है कि यह शरीर की नहीं बल्कि मन की बीमारी है। इससे बाहर निकलने के लिए हमें हमारे माइंड पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा। निगेटिव सोच और निगेटिविटी को दिल से निकालकर खुश रहने की कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी। यह सप्ताह हमें ध्यान देना होगा हमारी डाइट के ऊपर। जो भी हम खाएं वो भगवान का प्रसाद समझकर खाएं। अच्छा और हेल्दी खाना खाएं। अपनी डाइट और एक्सरसाइज को हमें एंजॉय करना चाहिए। जबरदस्ती डाइट और एक्सरसाइज करने से कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा। हमारे डाइट में हमें फ्रूट्स और ड्राई फ्रूट का उपयोग करना चाहिए। हमें हमारी सेहत के प्रति बहुत अवेयर रहने की ज़रूरत है। बुरी आदतों से हमें दूर रहना चाहिए, तभी हम हेल्दी और हैप्पी लाइफ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Hello divines, I salute the divinity in each one of you. I am Rashmi Periwal from Kolkata. The energies of the week 23rd to the 29th September 24 is about the truth in your relationships. The truth will create positive vibrations that will create a good karma when you act on it. Should have a trust in your partner, relatives and friends. You should be non-judgmental and aware. Express yourself without being partial. You should mutually understand and respect each other in words, thoughts, actions and deeds. Trust, genuine communication and connection are the key words to a healthy relationship. Values and goals should be shared without being biased. Do not demean the other person. Express yourself in an authentic way and let go of all biases. Represent your true nature in relationships to you and your partner. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa with you in Punch Portal program for the period of 23rd September to 29th September 2024 regarding spirituality. The board guidance is, this week your actions offers a valuable opportunity to deepen your spiritual journey. Your determination and dedication to this path are key. While meditation and other spiritual practices are essential, they are just one part of the journey. It is equally important to fulfill your duties towards yourself and others. This is the perfect time to stay aware of your responsibilities. By taking care of your health and supporting your loved ones, you align yourself with the spiritual path. Spiritual growth is about living with integrity and mindfulness in all aspects of life. Embrace the opportunity to balance your spiritual practices with your daily obligations. Caring for your health and being present for your loved ones and family are equally important as your rituals. Both helps you to stay aligned with your dharma. Let your inner intelligence be your guide. With the conscious efforts and awareness, every actions you take can support your spiritual goals. Now is the time to apply the spiritual knowledge you have gained. True spirituality shines through when you integrate what you have learned into your everyday actions. By harmonizing your spiritual practices with your responsibilities, you will stay on the right path and continue to evolve spiritually. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Aparajita and I am your Mokshapath reader and trainer. Business and finance in the 4th week of September, we start with a very joyous note. The board says that we can expect a deep sense of satisfaction and even look out for opportunities for celebration of our personal achievements. The guidance is to live in the energy of this fun and happiness and in a space of contentment. The question is, how do we sustain this joy? Adopt a mindset of happiness and always practice gratitude to attract abundance and happiness in your life. Watch out for always happiness in the now rather than reeling in the past or in the future. Look out for small things to celebrate. Look out for small things to appreciate. And when you appreciate or celebrate, never forget to include all those people, be it your servants, be it your co-workers, be it your team members, be it your seniors, or even be it your family members. Include all of them and celebrate together. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa with you in Punch Portal program for the period of 23rd September 2024 to 29th September 2024 regarding finance. Board is throwing light on finance is that this week is a good time for financial decisions. It is important to stay calm and think carefully when dealing with money. Keep an eye on market conditions before investing or withdrawing your funds. This period is great for managing your finances like tracking income and expenses, paying off debts, and making smart investment that can save on taxes. Also set aside some money for donations, charity and emergencies. You might also consider reviewing your financial goals and making any necessary adjustments. It is a good opportunity to diversify your investments, ensuring you are not putting all your money in one place. Lastly, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about the best steps to take. Being thoughtful and cautious now can lead to better financial outcomes in the future. So I always say, think twice and be wise. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.